So guys, today we're working on one of these Soff-Cut 2500s. We got noticing it was dripping oil under the bottom by this wheel right here, and I raised it up to look at it, see what it's doing, and you can see where the wheel goes on here. Well, the thing about it is, let me get my light fixed here. If you'll look right here, you can see it better like that. The gear right here, this gear was actually grinding the pin, the little clip that holds your wheel on, and then you got one behind it that goes right here. That right there actually it come out of the groove and it slid back. So whenever it did, it let the gear come back, and the gear was cutting into the motor right here. So the way I'm gonna fix this problem on this is these little clips are always coming off. I've got an idea that I've cut me a piece of a pipe, and what I'm gonna do is once I get it back up here, I'm gonna put the wheel on, and then I'm gonna measure. I could probably just measure from this little snap ring hole, and then measure over it and cut me a piece like a sleeve, and then slide it on there. That way the wheel come back and it'll hit it, and I don't have to worry about it coming back, because that right there is cut into the side cover on the motor. So actually you probably need to pull the motor out and pull that side cover off and all that, and that's a lot of work. So I'm probably gonna put some that poly stick or some JB weld or something on this for now to temporary to fix it until I can get time to swap it out. So, but just showing you that if them clips keep giving you problems, get you a piece of pipe. This right here is a let me get a tape measure and I'll tell you. I think it's like a 1-inch shaft. Yeah, that's about 1 inch, and the shaft that goes on the wheel is probably 3/4, say. Yeah, it's about 1 inch. So cut you a sleeve. That one's too short, of course, but I'm gonna cut me one. Let's see. Let's see how far it is. If I measure from there to here, you can see the little snap ring. It's about 1.5 inches. So that's what I'm gonna cut my pipe. So what I'll do now, and it's more light in here. It's light in here, sucks. Can't see nothing. I got my bandsaw here. Let's see. Put that up there where you can see. I'm gonna measure that. Oh. 1.5 inches. Doing it this way just in case if it ends up the clip comes loose, then I don't have to worry about it getting back into my motor eating my stuff up, you know what I mean? Once it eats into the motor, you end up having to pull the motor, replace side cover. That's a lot of work. Bear with me. See, now I'll take this. May have to deburr the insider here. I don't know yet. We'll look and see. But now whenever I put this on here, that should give me, see if I got enough room to get my clip on. Should be. I'll put the clip. Yeah, you can see the little ring. You can see the groove there. This light's kind of a little bright, but you can see the groove. But anyway, I'm gonna put that on, and then I can put this wheel back on once I get my side cover fixed on the engine. That way, whenever knock that in, that way it's see how far it goes in. And then if you look up in there, boy, you still ain't got much clearance, but I mean, it's still got, you got maybe a 1/8 of an inch. That still ain't much clearance, but you can see right here my gears are pretty much in line, so that means they're pretty much straight. So that's what it's supposed to be. All right, Hope that'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe so you can keep up more of my videos.